Hey guys, so today I'll show you guys how to soundproof your own car doors. If you go to a shop, soundproofing in your car will cost about 600 or 800 ringgit, somewhere within that range. But if you do it yourself, you can get it done for just 2 to 300 ringgit. Depends on the materials you get. The materials we'll be using will be from STP and also Element. The reason I choose both this brand is because they are supposed to be safer, non-toxic chemicals, and also they are from reputable companies. So from Element, it will be pieces like this. And for STP, it's like a foam, the closed foam type. The car we're going to be soundproofing will be my Vios 2015. So I already soundproofed like 3 out of the 4 doors, so you can hear the difference. This is what it will sound like after being soundproof, and this is in progress. This hasn't been soundproofed yet. So it will feel more solid after you soundproof it. So to soundproof it, you have to remove this. For my car, there's like a screw here, and I have to remove this up. So after removing all that stuff, it'll look like this, basically. The bare bones. All these are metals. To remove your car door, first you'll take this out. And you see the screw here? You unscrew it and you just pull this out. And remember to disconnect it first. And remove the 2 screws. And you need to disconnect the 2 wires. So the door from the car originally from factory already come with a closed cell foam, but then first we'll remove it and stick on the STP. See, this is just all plastic. Now you'll want to clean it, make sure there's no dust on the plastic so that you're able to stick the STP correctly. So after you have covered most of the plastic with the STP foam, we will use back the original foam as well. I'll use double-sided tape to tape it back, make it like a second layer. This is what the end product will look like. I put alcohol into this bottle. Now we're gonna clean the inside so that we are able to stick the sound dampening pad. After finish cleaning it, you just need to take out your mat and just stick it inside. Cut into a shape. You just need to cover about 40 to 60% of the surface area. Don't need to cover it 100%. So we are done putting the first layer. Now we are gonna put the second layer to cover up these holes. Also, in the tight spaces where you cannot actually use this big roller, there's a small tip. I saw online people use this spatula, and so you can reach all the inconvenient areas. After you're done, your car should look something like this. After you install the door, it should look like the original, and as you can see, yeah, it's solid now. So that's how you soundproof your whole car.